to my channel. My name is Kai. For those of you that are new, in today's video I'm going to be installing this wig here, so if you're interested, keep watching. Look at this cute packaging that they put the wig in. Like, it literally looks like you just bought this out of the mall and they put it in a cute shopping bag. This is so cute detail and I love the hot pink. We're going to be installing a glueless wig today. Packaging, so we have a nice cute hot pink bonnet, a sleep mask, a packet of lashes, and of course a melt band. We have to get into the lace. I mean, coming straight out of the packaging like that. Do y'all see that? That's absolutely insane. That's crazy. I believe ISEEHAIR just became my new favorite brand. Wow, how beautiful is this? And it's nice and full. Put some makeup on my wig cap so that way it blends in with the lace. I have a question. When is it a good time to change your makeup brush? I do not know, actually. Do you throw them away after a year? A few years? No idea. This wig also has an elastic band that is attached to the inside. I like how they put their little logo in the back of the wig. This wig away, I'll be able to tell, oh, this is the ISEEHAIR wig. I like that they did that. It doesn't have any adjustable bands or anything in the back because you can tell that this is a very detail made wig. I'm feeling like this is very more like detail made versus factory made because those be having the adjustable bands in the back, and I feel like this lace is really about to blend. Didn't mention it before, but this is all bleached. Like, I don't even have to bleach this wig at all. It's completely bleached.
Champagne. I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, but you trusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen.
Look at how flat this is, even once you put it on. Like, it's not even poofy. Oh, I love this so much. So what I'm gonna do now is add some curls to the hair. It already has like a naturally beautiful curl pattern, but I'm just going to go over it with my curling iron, this big barrel one here, and give it some curls. I'm probably just going to focus it towards the ends instead of going tiny section by section. Yeah, I think it's beautifully curled, but I want them to be just a little bit more defined. So that's why we're doing it this way. What I need to invest in is a good holding spray for curls. So if you guys know of one, let your girl know, because I don't know any. Lace spray and hope, just with the hope that it's gonna hold the hair in place. And then I'm gonna just let it sit. I was gonna add a curl, but I think I'm gonna let it go. I'm just gonna go section by section till we get a look that we're looking for. Okay, so now that the hair is curled, I'm gonna focus on this lace right quick. I'm getting all types of makeup on my shirt. This is sucky. Okay, here is the finished look, guys. I have added my curls. I kept it with the middle part. The lace is installed completely glueless. All I did was add a little bit of makeup to my lace to make sure it blended into the skin. You can see that lace parting space very well. It's very visible. So this is their Ocean Wave glueless wig. Like I said, it does come pre-bleached. I have it in 24 inches, but it is sold in other lengths in case you are not interested in the longer length option. I love that the knots are bleached so well. You can tell that they're very tiny and that they were able to bleach and lift with ease. So if you feel like you want to go back over it and bleach it some more, you can definitely get a good bleach payoff. The lace, I feel like, is super natural. Like, I didn't feel like it was hard to work with. Literally, you guys saw, all I did was add some makeup to it. And I cut off a few pieces here and there where I felt like it was just a little bit extra on my forehead. But other than that, the wig was super easy to install. So if you're in like a beginner phase of trying out wigs, I think this would be a really good option for you, because all of the work that you normally would have to put into a wig, you don't even have to do that with this one. Oh, and also, it fits really good. I did some adjusting with that elastic band they put in there, but they have where if you have a bigger head, it's gonna fit your head. If you got a smaller head, it's gonna fit your head. So it's very universal. And you could have wore it with the natural curl pattern that it comes with, but I just added my own set of curls. But say if I were to wash this and let it air dry, I could still wear it just like that. So let me know what you guys think about it. Are you gonna be trying this wig out? I think you definitely should. It's one to definitely keep in your collection. So the link will be in my description bar. Thank you to ISEEHAIR for sending over today's unit. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.